bought the house a year before we got married. As time went on, we realized that we could not get the upstairs to be at the same temperature that was downstairs, because it literally would get so hot up there, we would not even use the upstairs.
We tried all new ductwork and nothing seemed to help.
When I was on a trip to Brazil, and during that trip, basically got to my room to check in and noticed that there was some sort of heating and air conditioning unit above the door. And then I called her like I used to do every day when I travel. I said, "You're not gonna believe what I actually found as far as an air conditioner." So as I began to play around with it and said, "This is something I think that we can actually get at home and we should start looking at it."
When he described this product to me, it sounded too good to be true. So I myself went on the Mitsubishi site and was referred to Mike here from Compass Heating and Air as a diamond dealer that could install this product.
Looking around at the house, it's Cape Cod style. There's no attic, there's no access to get anything upstairs. It was actually an ideal situation as far as Mitsubishi would be concerned, not having to run ductwork.
Mike took every ounce of his patience with me to explain that, yes, I can guarantee you are going to be happy with this product. And just the level of comfort is phenomenal.
I know after we were finished with it, Rosemary had called and said it was more comfortable upstairs than it was even downstairs, which typically during the summer months you would rather be downstairs, but she was definitely a lot happier upstairs. So.
And she would call me, and we're going, "George, you have no idea how wonderful this is up here."
Yeah.
All the time she would call me. And I would say, "I'm sure you're texting Mike too, right?"